Koalas. I live in the trees eating green leaves. I have a black nose and long claws on my toes. My big ears are furry and I am not in a hurry. Who am I? A koala. Where koalas live? Koalas live in a country called Australia. They live in forests and wooded areas. They live in the mountains and on the coast. Why did the koala sit on the clock? Because it wanted to be on time. Koalas look a little like teddy bears, but they are not bears at all. Koalas are mammals called marsupials. They carry their babies in pouches. Kangaroos and wombats are marsupials too. Mammal is an animal that feeds its babies milk. It has a backbone and is warm blooded. A mammal that carries its babies in a pouch is a marsupial. A koala's body is perfect for living in trees. Its body curls up to fit between the branches. Fur on its bottom is extra thick. It is a built-in seat cushion. Long arms wrap around trees. Front paws have two thumbs and three fingers. These help grab branches. Long claws dig into tree trunks and branches. Paws have pads that keep a koala from slipping. Strong legs help a koala climb up and down the trees. Life in the trees. Koalas are good climbers. They spend most of their times in trees. This is their habitat. Koalas sleep in trees too. They doze off in some funny places. Could you sleep like this? Koalas are slow and sleepy. They sleep up to 18 hours a day. Tree talk. Animal's natural home is habitat. Koala lives in a small area in its habitat. The area has about 100 trees. This is its territory. Male koalas have a scent patch on their chest. They rub it on the trees. This tells other koalas to stay out of their territory. Koalas eat lots of eucalyptus leaves, but they only eat from a few kinds of eucalyptus trees. To get enough food, koalas eat for about 5 hours every day. Koalas mostly eat and sleep. What is a koala's favorite drink? Coca-Cola. 6 cool facts about koalas. Koalas can jump from tree to tree. They hardly drink any water. They get most of their water from leaves. A koala's fur protects the animal from heat, cold, and rain. Koalas have fingerprints just like we do. They are very active at night. They like midnight snacks. Eucalyptus leaves smell like cough drops. Koalas do too. Baby koala is called a joey. When it's born, it does not have any hair. It is also blind. The joey stays in its mother's pouch for about 6 months. It drinks milk and grows bigger and bigger. A joey is the size of a jelly bean at birth. Oh my god. A joey peeks out of a mom's pouch. Soon the joey comes out of the pouch. It hangs on mom's chest or rides on her back. The young koala learns how to climb and hang on so it can live safely in the trees. Why do koalas carry their babies on their backs? Because they can't get a stroller up a tree. In danger. Today, koalas and people often must share space. Koalas need land with trees, but people are cutting down trees to make farms, roads, and buildings. There is less land for koalas. They are in danger. Koalas get hurt too. They get hit by cars or hurt by pet dogs. Helping koalas. Luckily for koalas, there are hospitals just for them. Doctors and nurses help koalas that are sick or hurt. Koala hospitals help thousands of koalas every year. A koala gets help after it was hit by a car. It will be taken to the koala hospital in Port Macquarie, New South Wales in Australia. This koala's arms were hurt. The cast helped them heal. Hospital workers giving loving care to a sick koala. This koala is being weighed. Koalas get help in other ways too. Road signs tell driver to watch out for koalas. Tunnels and bridges can help koalas cross road, but koalas don't always know where the safe places to cross are. Saving eucalyptus trees is the best way to help koalas. Trees are homes for koalas. Why did the koala cross the road? Because it was the chicken's day off. What in the world? These pictures show close-up view of things in a koala's world. Use the hints below to figure out what's in the pictures. And we are done.